What's good, everybody? This is the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing video. Today I'm going to be talking about a very useful tool, and stay tuned because this is going to be a cracker. This is amazing software. But before we jump into the video, I invite you to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using artificial intelligence. Now, Artbreeder is artificial intelligence that comes in the form of a website. It is very free and has been around for a little under a decade. Yeah, about 7 to 8 years, something like that. Now, Artbreeder was built for you to extend your imagination, and simply what it is, it's like an art simulator that has 5 basic models. There's the portrait model, there's landscapes, so images like this, there's album covers, okay, there's anime style faces, and the last one is a general model. Now this is insane, and let me show you something. This image was made by combining the photo, the portrait of a dog, and a bubble to create this image. Okay, here's a more practical use for this thing. Okay, let's say you want to create a character. Okay, you want to create a character. In watching this video, what you'll notice is that the user is sliding up and down these buttons or tabs. What these buttons or tabs do is they increase or decrease characteristics from each portrait. So for this one, if I push this up some, then you'll notice the face of the character increases. The similarity between this character and the original portrait, or the portrait that's being adjusted, increases. Each time the user increases or decreases this tab, you'll notice the face changes. So just watch for about 5 seconds and see how this character here changes in relation to these tabs that were slid. Right? So you can literally create a single face from 3, 4, 5, 6 different portraits, blending in characteristics from each as you please. Isn't that amazing? Okay, if you were someone who had a gig, let's say you were working on Fiverr and you had a gig to create a character for a video game, you wouldn't need to bat an eye. You could jump on here, log in for free, and you could create stuff like this. Isn't that cool? Basic, hard helmet, hoodie. This is amazing. This is mind-blowing to me. Okay? So again, you could have custom gigs on Fiverr if you wanted to, where you could create characters for people who are interested in creating video games. Or if people wanted a funky, cool new avatar for their profile on, say, Instagram or Facebook or what have you, you could generate a very unique avatar based on their original looks. Okay? And you could charge $20, $30, $40, $50 for each job that you get. And all you would do was upload the portrait and adjust it, blending other things into it to create a brand new character. Amazing. Okay? Now, it's massively collaborative, so any shared image can be used, edited, or mixed. Creativity is driven by collaboration, and Artbreeder brings this to a new level by being a single place for sharing and creation. Okay? So you could do concept art, you could do fashion, jewelries, you could do medieval stuff, you could do landscaping, as it was said earlier. You could take someone from the 19th century and remodel them to look like someone in the 12th century. Okay? Now here's some examples of portraits that people have done. Isn't this stunning? Look at that. Stunning pictures, stunning portraits. Okay? Look at all these. Look at that. And if you look at these landscapes, they are absolutely breathtaking. Now, there's a video that explains in 4 minutes how everything works. Okay? I'll let you watch a very small portion of this video. Look at this dog. He was clearly enhanced by Artbreeder. Isn't that amazing? So it's showing you how you can increase and decrease some of the basic portraits to create a brand new portrait. In this one, they're creating a glass vase, a jar, a container for holding stuff. Okay, you could literally take something from scratch, just a simple image, and you could convert it into something ridiculously amazing, something sci-fi, something futuristic, something from like a fantasy movie or video game. You literally have the world at your behest. Now, about Artbreeder. Artbreeder aims to be a new type of creative tool that empowers users' creativity by making it easier to collaborate and explore. Originally, Breeder. It started as an experiment in using breeding and collaboration as methods of exploring high complexity spaces. Artbreeder is named after the research of Pick Breeder, which investigated the role of exploration in the optimization process. It is also inspired by an earlier project of mine, Facebook Graffiti, which demonstrated the creative capacity of crowds. Alright? And these are all the contributions to the information and the tech. Okay? And guys, that's Artbreeder. You could literally take a picture of grass and convert it to something else. Something truly fascinating, something out of a sci-fi movie. And you can also take portraits of people and redo them. So let's say somebody wanted a caricature done of themselves. They could send you their favorite or best portrait. You could upload it to Artbreeder, which is completely free, and you could have a brand new cartoon graphic image. They would pay you $30 to $50 if you wish. You set your own price. On Fiverr, on People Per Hour, on Upwork, on all these places where you do gigs, and just collect money. It's that simple. Guys, check this AI out, check the software out, and what you also need to check out are the links in the description below. Artbreeder is great, and you can definitely make money and entertain yourself with it. But if you aren't making money on autopilot, you may have a bit of a problem. You see, we all love doing what we love to do. Most people today don't because they have jobs. The other set, they do it, they love it, but if they don't do it, they don't make money. Why not do something you love without having to rely on it for money? If you check the links in the description below, you will learn how to set up your own online business so that you can make money online. Alright, gang? So, thank you so much for watching, and I do invite you again to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.